The jobs report for April is coming out on Friday. Let's check in now with Tim Biggam, a Delta Derivatives for the Trader Rundown. And Tim, White House advisors are already warning us that the unemployment number could reach 16 or 17% in the nation. Are traders bracing for a stock market reaction?
Yeah, I think, a lot of the economic reports obviously, price for disaster, to say the least here. So I think it's more what happens coming out on, the kind of testing and obviously the COVID front going forward here for the short term. Certainly the jobs number, can move the market a little, but it certainly doesn't have the meaning that we had pre-COVID, to say the least. So be interesting to see, just exactly what the number is here, as certainly it will be staggering, to say the least. But the market shrugging off a lot of the concerns here and really looking past what's happening here, and maybe looking down the road as we continue to grind higher here in the market. And we're not too far off those all-time highs, which is really a sign of strength for this market, I think.
Tim, are you noticing any unusual trading in any stocks right now?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, yesterday and today we saw unusual call buying in DraftKings. Was a recent IPO. Saw huge volume in the May 20 calls, over 20,000 contracts traded. More importantly, it lifted the implied volatility, which is a way to say the price of the options. It was trading about 82 implied volatility, went to over 150 yesterday, still around 120 today. Calls were actually up more than the stock yesterday, so we jumped in and did a simple buy right, bought the shares, sold those May 20 calls, leaning bullishly with that big call buyer out there, but capturing, more importantly, the fact that they way overpaid for these options. So we just will probably ride this out to expiration unless the stock starts to dip hard, but certainly capturing huge implied volatility, leaning bullishly, I think, is the way to go on that trade.
Thank you, Tim, and you take care.
You too. Thanks, Ann.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.